Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be learning how to make bubble braids for kids. So the first thing I did was to section the back part of our hair, splitting that into two, and you want to band that up with your rubber band. So basically, I already dropped a detailed tutorial on how to section hair in bricklayer method precisely. So what I'm going to be doing here right now is to be explaining how I did the front part of the hair a little bit stylish. Children love beautiful things. So the first thing I did was to section the front part of the hair, splitting that in two, and then splitting one side in three in such a way that it looks like a diamond. Yes, so this is how I did it. Basically, you just want to make sure that it's not straight like a box, it looks like a diamond. So I did that, and I banded that up with my rubber band, repeating the same thing on the other side, following the line, banding that up again with the rubber band, and voila, the shapes, or should I say the diamond shape rather, sorry, is looking beautiful. And then for the bubble braid, normally you do not need to twist the hair, but because the kinky afro extension does not match with the color of our hair, and I do not want our hair showing outside of the kinky extension, so I had to twist her hair. And then I splitted one row of the kinky afro extension into four because we are making short bubble braids, and then passing my crochet pin through her hair and then hooking the kinky extension on the crochet pin and then pulling out one side of it. So on a fold basically, and then you pull out one side just like so. And the next thing you want to do is you want to wrap the hair inside of the kinky extension, making sure the hair does not show. And you want to get your rubber band that up. You want to leave a little bit of space, about 2 inches I guess, depending on what you want, and then banding that up again the second time. So you can do that 4 or 5 times depending on how long you want the extension to be. And now adding beads at the tip of the hair. Children love beads, like little girls love beads, so you want to put as much bead as possible, but for here I'm just going to be using one. So when I put it in, I'm just fold up the tip and then band that up with my rubber band, and then cut off the excess, and then go again, passing your hook, then pull out the hair extension. Then you want to make sure you wrap the hair or wrap the extension around the hair, make sure the hair is hidden inside. Then you want to band that up with your rubber band about 2 inches away from the root of the hair. Repeat that again, and then you want to add your beads to the tip of the hair. I use the crochet pin because I do not have that that bead thingy, I don't know what it's called. And then pass in the bead. You want to fold up the hair and then band that up again just like that on a fold. Band that up with your rubber band like so, cut off the excess, and there you have it. Your beautiful short bubble braids is basically done. It is done. It's looking beautiful. It's really simple, easy to do. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, a like, obviously, comment, don't leave that box empty, okay? Follow for more, subscribe. That's how you follow for more, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful blessed day. Bye.